Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Danny Chess and welcome back to 1 Year 365. And today we will continue with the series of the protector of the solar system. I almost said galaxy, but that's not the case here. It's a knockoff to Guardian of the Galaxy. So yeah, this is protector of the solar system. Venus, the second planet that is closest to Earth. Not Earth, I mean to Sun. Yeah, to the Sun. So we have Venus, and I guess we can just go straight into it. I will try to make this only 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Obviously, there's gonna be some, like facts, right? Like interesting facts, a lot of details, but we're not here to learn everything. We're just here for the general things, like how long does it orbit the sun? Like what's going on in the planet, and etc. etc. So yeah. Venus is the second planet for the sun, from the sun. I mean, it is sometimes called Earth's sister or twin planet, as it is almost as large and has a similar composition. Okay, as an interior planet to Earth, Venus appears in Earth's sky, never far from the sun, either as morning star or evening star. Huh, I see. Yeah, like I've seen this one myself. It's kind of visible to eyes actually. I remember, visiting my grandparents' house. They lived in the mountains, and yeah, during the morning, because it's dark, right? There's no, lots of lights there. The sky is very clear. You can kind of see a lot of stars easily and planets like this as well. So yeah, Venus, it's very observable from the location where I used to visit. So yeah, but now I think the last time I saw Venus was actually at the beach area. I think it was about 2017. So at this point, that was 6 years ago. The last time I actually observe, right, and not just look. I mean, I can look just every day actually. Just stargaze, right, or look up to the sky every morning, and I will easily find Venus. But like the last time I actually did stargazing, it was like in 2017. We had a beach camp. Pretty much, it's an we had a camp. We set up our tent, and it was in the coastal area, to the southern part of the island. So yeah, um, it's interesting. It's very interesting. Kind of terrifying though, because it's sometimes not always safe. And yeah, oh, speaking of that, the weather's kind of shifting now. It literally just was very bright outside, and just at the flick of finger, it becomes. I mean, a snap of a finger, not a flick. A snap of a finger, it just turns dark, and yeah, it's about to rain, I think. So yeah, I don't have a lot of time. In fact, I only have 8 minutes left. Oh, let's go, I guess. Aside from the sun and the moon, Venus is the brightest natural object in Earth's sky. Yeah, like visible shadows. Oh, what? Capable of casting visible shadows on Earth in dark conditions, and being visible to the naked eye in broad daylight. Yeah, this one, like I said, it's very visible. You can see this quite easily. Um, Okay, it can cast visible shadows. Well, that is actually interesting. I mean, it's only visible from the space, I think. If you are on Earth, it probably won't make any difference. So, yeah. Near global view of Venus in natural color. Okay, another natural color. I thought it's orange or something, but no, it's just white. That is kind of scary though. Yeah, it's actually very scary if if you ask me. It's as simple as that, but yeah, it's very scary. I mean, Venus as well. There's like lots of things interesting about this planet. For one, this planet is apparently the hottest planet, I think. But yeah, we'll see about that after this probably. I don't know. Let's see here. Orbital period will be 224 days. Okay, so that is about two-thirds of the Earth, I guess. Yeah, 0.6 year, I guess. Like I said, well, 0.6 years, almost 50%, but not really though. I mean, yeah, whatever. 1.92 Venus solar day, huh? Wait, wait a minute. Wait, are you telling me that the planet actually doesn't actually moves quicker than I mean the planet actually orbits the sun like faster than it orbits itself? Huh, interesting. Orbital period will be 583. Oh, there is sidereal and synodic. I have no idea what that means though. Average orbital speed 35 kilometers. Mean anomaly. Yeah, yeah. Satellites none. Okay. I think Mercury also didn't have doesn't have satellite. I kind of forgot to check that previously. Radius will be 0.94 of Earth. Okay, that is very close. What else here? Surface area will be 90% of Earth. Volume will be 85%. Yeah, it's actually kind of close now, if you think about it. Mass will be 81% of Earth mean density. Still, if you throw the planet in a lake of water, it's gonna drown. Surface gravity, okay. Gravity is interesting as well. 90% of Earth, interesting. So, it will feel lighter a little bit, but it's not gonna be, like easy, right? So, yeah. What else here? One Venus solar day. Okay. I think the interesting thing about this is that I think the planet will always face. I think I have no idea though, but we'll see. Okay, we'll see. Also, this one, oh yeah, I think the interesting thing about this is that Venus is actually the planet that has different direction. I think of its revolution or orbit. I mean, but yeah, we'll see. Surface temperature will be minus 41 degrees Celsius, or what is that? 233 Kelvin. Okay. Mean will be 464 degrees Celsius or 800. That is insane. That is, yeah. Like I said, it's actually the hottest temperature, the hottest planet, I think. Um, you probably ask how, right? Why is it not Mercury? It's simple because apparently there's this greenhouse effect in Venus, which means that if like the sunlight, once it hits Venus, it should be reflected back, right? But the sky, the atmosphere, makes it so that it then got reflected back, so only few percent that actually go out, and the rest of them is just keep bouncing, which means that yeah, it's very hot. It's like microwave pretty much, or it's like a oven that will keep uh, what is it keep getting hot until obviously at certain point, right, it will stop increasing the temperature because there is maximum limit, obviously. Let's see here. Combustion by volume. Okay, that is a lot of things. Venus is the second largest terrestrial object of the solar system. The second largest. Wait, isn't Jupiter and Saturn bigger? Why is it? Huh, interesting. I have no idea actually. Venus is the second largest terrestrial object of the solar system. Huh. I thought it's supposed to be Saturn, though, the second one after Jupiter. I have no idea. That is interesting. The atmosphere consists mainly of carbon dioxide. Yeah, you cannot breathe there. It's just CO2, pretty much. The thing that you actually exhale. So, yeah. Yeah, you cannot breathe the here, pretty much. Pressure, about 92 times the sea level pressure. That is insane. Um, that is 92 times. You will get crushed if you enter this atmosphere, pretty much. Okay. Carbon dioxide gas at the surface, a supercritical phase, Okay, which means that it's kind of what is it like in between liquid and gas, I think. I have no idea. Okay. Shrouded by an opaque layer of highly reflective clouds of sulfuric acid. Okay. Sulfuric acid, imagine that. That being cloud, that is. Yeah, it's rough. It's rough. Yeah, I have no idea if you can even touch the land. Like, if you penetrate the atmosphere, you have to penetrate the layer of sulfuric acid, and it's corrosive, right? You will not reach the surface in a full piece. So yeah. Um. Okay, let's see here. Greenhouse effect, yes, like I already mentioned, that what caused the planet to become very hot. That might also be the reason why the atmosphere, the pressure is very high, because the temperature getting high, the pressure is just by common what is it, common equation. If the temperature is high, the pressure is also high. So yeah, it just makes sense. All right, what is this? Doesn't have any moons, yes, or satellite, I guess. A length of 117 Earth days. Okay, so it's half, right? Yeah, just about half. Orbiting the sun every 224 Earth days. So that is interesting, which means that the planet itself actually will just rotate itself two times, and then after that, it's gonna be a new year. So imagine that in Earth, the new year, it's new year every 2 days. That is, like interesting, right? So yeah, yeah, let's just skip these physical characteristics. I think I already mentioned. It's okay. So it's wide actually. Oh, Mars is actually smaller. I have no idea. I thought Mars is actually similar, size of Earth though. Huh? Wow. I I am surprised by how long I have, learned about space, and I just now realized that Venus is actually more, similar to Earth. Well, size comparison, compared to Mars. That is insane, actually. Mars is only that size. Okay, that is insane, actually. Yeah, very insane. I thought Mars was like the same size, though. Oh, interesting. Okay. We'll actually talk about that in the fourth episode for sure. So yeah. Earth sister or twin? Yeah, I mean, makes sense. It's just the same size, right? But obviously, one is habitable and the other is hell, pretty much. You cannot live there. Atmosphere and climate, yeah. Yeah, I think there's also another thing as well. Like there's like a phenomenon as well that is interesting about Venus, I think. But I have no idea though. I forgot. But there's something else, I think. Apart from the high temperature and high pressure, there's something else as well that makes like Venus kind of special. I guess the greenhouse effect as well is interesting thing. It's the only planet I think with greenhouse effect. So yeah. What else here? Sulfuric acid cloud layers. Okay, sulfuric acid haze. Uh, it's interesting how there's actually two layers of sulfuric acid. So yeah, well, I can only imagine that it's strong as well. Because like to dilute sulfuric acid, you will need something that is polar and like as easy as water, for instance. But obviously, there is not much water there, right? So like if it got diluted, it's just gonna by something else. So I guess it's actually probably an actual strong concentration of sulfuric acid. But yeah, let's just skip through this. What is this? Color coded elevation map showing the elevated terrain continents in yellow and minor. Oh, this is also new information that I just learned actually. I just realized, okay, so they also have terrain. Okay, well, I mean, obviously, right? But this kind of looks like if it's like Earth, the map on Earth, but it's on Venus instead. That is interesting. Okay, there's one big island at the north, also over here to the east. There is continent, like island area over here to the west and to the south. Interesting, very, very interesting. But obviously, it's not really water, right? I don't think there is actual water there. It's probably just the height compared to sea level, I think. Like blue is probably compared to sea level on Earth, but I have no idea. So yeah, it's probably dry all over the place. So yeah, I don't know actually. Rectified and colorized surface image. Okay. I have no idea though. There is no comparison here. Like, is this just the land? Is this like a big area? Far aerial view, or this is just literally like when you put your phone on at the ground on the ground and you just took picture. It kind of looks like that as well. So yeah, it's a little bit fake. What is this? Okay, and yeah, I already ran out of time. It's been 15 minutes. I guess that'll be it for this one. Let's just go through. Carbon dioxide, atmosphere, sulfuric acid, crust, metallic core, rocky mantle. Yeah, it's no not habitable. First, you cannot breathe the air. Second, the atmosphere is too crushing. Temperature is too hot. There's also sulfuric acid as cloud. Might as well, raining sulfuric acid. Who knows, right? I have no idea, but yeah. Alright, yeah, there is so many other chapters here, unfortunately, but yeah, I just have no, I have no, what is it, like, no time to, mention all of these, but yeah, I guess. Let's just, scroll through these, observation and exploration, and let's just wrap up the episode, I guess. Okay, there's that. There's this. What else? Exploration. Yeah, this is the map of Venus. Okay. Prop landing smart. Okay. Yeah, the blue one, I don't think it's actual water. So don't get high hope that it's water. It's not. I don't think so. In culture, okay. Yeah, mythology, astrology, whatever. I mean, every planet actually has that. Oh, Venus is portrayed just to the right of the large cypress tree near the center of the image in Vincent van Gogh. I mean, the Starry Night. Oh, this represents Venus. I just realized. I think it's this one. Yeah, this one to the right. Yeah, this one. I think because it's the brightest. So yeah. Interesting. Very very interesting. I just know that actually. But yeah. Anyway, habitability. Nope. It's just a hard nope. It's easy nope. Uh, yeah, this one. It's impossible. It's just impossible. You cannot live on air just yet. It requires a lot of energy. So yeah, no way, no way it's possible. But yeah. Anyway, I think we've this one. I hope you guys enjoy it. This is Delty. I will see you again maybe tomorrow, maybe a few days from now. I have no idea. At the time I'm recording this, I just record for stuff. I haven't actually checked for the schedule just yet. So yeah, I have no idea when the next will be. Most likely tomorrow, but we will see until then. But until then, see ya.